Over the weekend, we got some really great news from Switzerland. Of course, it's from the Swiss. US and China agreed to cut tariffs, dropping from the US side, dropping from 145% to 30%. And from the China side, from 125 to 10%. That's a game changer, just because we now know we have a sandbox of risk to operate in. And not just that, I think even when there was like hints of a deal that were going to be had Saturday morning, the range was supposed to be 50 to 75%. We got 30%. This is drastically better. And even though it's just for 90 days, I think a lot of this earnings cycle that we were just part of, a lot of the input costs for like what their guidances were was higher input costs, lower demand, lower top line due to all the tariff noise. If this is going to become the reality next 3 months, everyone's guidances were offsides conservatively. And that's going to cause a great setup for the next 3 months. So I do think now that we're above the 200-day moving average, let's see how we close, because my say is the open is always emotion, but the close is always the truth. Let's see if we can hold up throughout the rest of the day and we close above those key levels. But yeah, I'm not defensive anymore. It's been the first time in like 2 months I haven't been defensive this morning. Yeah, so we'll see how we close.